Welcome back, y'all. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing my next video here in my room. I wanted to go through a break-in process of the motors that I have read up on. It seems like breaking in the motor isn't just as easy as it seems. Popping in some batteries, throwing it in the car and running it. Properly to do it, so you have to use a secondary motor like so and run it so you can basically keep the engine cool, your tune motor cool, heat up the slave motor, and you don't damage your expensive motor. It's less chance of basically the brush, which is this guy, of overheating and glazing over, basically like how brake pads are. If you have ever dealt with brake pads, you know that once you've installed them, there's a break-in process. You go and you do your certain amount of 0 to 60, 0 to 50, 0 to 40, a certain amount of time, so when you go to drive your vehicle, the brake pads don't overheat. So if they do overheat, they tend to, it's called glazing, they harden. They get so hot that they cool down too fast, they harden. It's the same thing with, they use the same material in these brushes, so it's carbon-based material. So you have to do the same kind of braking procedure here, but with this, you're using a second lifespan, which is not your motor's lifespan, your performance motor. You're using a crappy secondary motor of whatever sort you may have. And my way about it was just to get a VS chassis. I cut it up to a point where it has access, and I put a spacer, or kind of this Delrin washer spacer. It's for the rollers. It's an old school one, but I mean, you could use a Tamiya one. You could use any spacer. It fits. Pop in, link them together, pop in some batteries, and you do. What I've been doing is 3 minutes, 3-minute intervals. So 3 minutes forward, then let it cool down. 3 minutes forward again, let it cool down, and the cool down time excuse me, in between is going to be 3 minutes as well. And then you're gonna switch and go in reverse. 3 minutes, cool down again, 3 minutes, go and reverse the motor, 3 minutes, cool down, 3 minutes, and you're gonna be good. It should be broken. After that, rinse the motor in some kind of distilled water, more of a it's just kind of, I'll grab it and show you later, but gonna get to doing this and you guys can just chill and watch. It's getting to a point where it's starting to get a little louder and smoothing out. So almost there. It's 46 seconds left. And then this now is going in reverse. Gonna let it cool down for 3 minutes, and then 3 more minutes of reverse, and then we're good. I already did the half the break in before I started filming, so sorry. Alright, now we're on 3 minutes of cooldown time, and yeah, just the waiting game sucks, but once you have your whole rig set up and you know you're here in the zone getting things going, it's pretty entertaining. So hopefully you guys are having a good time. Since I'm waiting here, we got another minute 40 left. I wanted to show what came in the mail today. Some really cool alloy wheels. Don't know how durable or good they're going to be, but the color is banging. Pretty stoked on them. So yeah. Forgot. Yeah, I got these in the mail too. Woo! Getting parts and finally built the MS Flex that I ordered. So to be announced soon. That's gonna happen. Alright, now 3 minutes of cooldown time is done. Go to another 3 minutes of run time. And this is the last of it. So here we go. Okay. 3 minutes of this. Get back to y'all. Every now and then I would put a little bit of oil, whatever oil you prefer. I just use, it's a mixture of my own, so yeah, just keep it lubricated. Of whatever carbon you ended up taking off the contact of the brush that is now left in your motor. So you want to take your motor, right, whatever motor you just did, and you get yourself a it's called It with some Trinity oil, whatever penetrating oil you prefer, and make sure it is thin oil. You don't want any gooky kind of oil up in there. It just makes the motor really nasty. So yeah, this is Yanni, checking in, checking out, and I hope this was useful. Like I said, laters. Bye.